needs very little saying that healthcare today is a very important sector, especially if you look at developing countries and particularly very populous countries like India, where people, routine citizens, need access to good quality healthcare. So healthcare is just probably not only about medicine, but we also need to look at IT, IT information technology, which can be a great enabler in the sense that it can actually help in bringing affordable and reliable healthcare to citizens. In recent years, of course, we have seen a lot of adoption of IT in the healthcare systems, but most of these have been isolated and have never been part of a contiguous system that can go about in a big way in enhancing the efficiency of our healthcare system. Today, what we clearly lack is an ecosystem that can bring together doctors, patients, intermediaries, and various stakeholders, and bring them onto a platform that can have information exchange. There could be knowledge dissemination, there could be delivery mechanisms, and various other activities that could go a long way in addressing the needs and challenges of providing healthcare to ordinary citizens. Of course, on the technology side, cloud computing offers great promise, not only just as a piece of technology, but I think in terms of optimum usage of resources and the ability to deliver at affordable is what I think would be the significant promise of cloud computing. Mithung Infotech Private Limited is a company that is being incubated by us at this incubator, and they have a grand vision, and this is passionately driven by two entrepreneurs, Mr. Narendra and Mr. Anand. And to be very honest, I think their passion is very infectious. Now what they are trying to do is to address this very gap of trying to leverage cloud computing, information technology, to bring about an ecosystem where you could have all the stakeholders participating. And by virtue of using cloud, it needless to mention that probably the ecosystem starts becoming not only a viable mechanism but also an affordable. They are today incubated at our entrepreneurship park in the technology business incubator. And so in addition to just providing them infrastructure, I think we at the incubator are very keenly following this company and the growth of this company. And we are trying to do our level best to enable this company to access all those kind of critical resources, be it mentors, be it access to funding, or be it access to creating networks, advisory boards, and connecting them across to the right kinds of people. And we would definitely, as an incubator, like to be a part of the success story of this particular company. So this incubator being supported by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, I think it lends a great sense of to this startup venture, Mithung Infotech Private Limited. And I think today not only are they enjoying the credibility, I think in the years to come, it would be a great sense of pride not only to the government but also to the various other stakeholders in the incubation movement of this country. I mean, just to sum it all up, be it technology, be it healthcare, I think even if Mithung Infotech achieves a fraction of what it has envisioned, I think it would have made a very significant contribution to the healthcare delivery system, not only in India, but I think across several other nations and countries where healthcare is a priority.